Meet the JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds, bringing powerful bass, clear sound, and a secure fit for everyday use. With smooth connectivity, touch controls, and long battery life, they're perfect for music, calls, and life on the go. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, charging cable, and user manual. How to wear. Ensure the earbud tip is facing downwards, then place the earbuds into your ear. Rotate the earbuds back to the auricle side to fit snugly. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. How to pair. Download the JBL app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It allows you to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your JBL earbuds. Remove them from the case, then press and hold the touch sensors until both LEDs blink quickly. Open your device's Bluetooth settings, select the earbuds from the available devices, and pair. Open the JBL Headphones app and allow the required permissions. Your JBL Vibe Beam 2 will appear automatically if already paired. Tap on them to access features like firmware updates, noise cancellation modes, ambient aware, talk-through, and audio settings for music or video. Smart features? Powered by 8mm dynamic drivers, the JBL Vibe Beam 2 delivers deep, punchy bass with clear and balanced audio. It enhances your music with rich, low-end impact, making every beat feel more powerful and immersive. Active noise canceling reduces background noise so you can stay fully focused on your music without distractions. Smart Ambient lets you control outside sound so you can stay aware or have quick conversations without removing your JBL earbuds. Enjoy up to 10 hours of playtime on the earbuds with an additional 30 hours from the charging case for a total of 40 hours. With fast charging, just 10 minutes of charge gives you up to 3 hours of playback, keeping your music going all day. With 4 built-in microphones, your voice is picked up clearly while reducing background noise for better call quality. This ensures crisp, natural-sounding calls even in busy or windy environments, so you're heard loud and clear anywhere. With an IP54 rating, the JBL Vibe Beam 2 is protected against dust, sweat, and light rain, perfect for workouts and outdoor use. Even the charging case has added protection, so you can carry it anywhere without worrying about everyday conditions. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds. See you at the next one.